with Misfits raising their shipping prices, I'm not even sure if it's worth it anymore. Let's talk about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Morgan, and I talk about plant-based eats, affordable eats. So if that sounds awesome to you, please subscribe. But you probably clicked on this video because you have Misfits and you're trying to figure out what the heck is going on. I just got an email, y'all, like yesterday, right before I was getting ready to order my Misfits. And I'm like, okay, you know, what's going on, Misfits? You know, I'm excited to order my box. I just got the app, the Misfits app, which is pretty cool. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to order my box and, you know, see what's going on. So let me highlight the important parts of this 5-paragraph bull crap. I mean, when it starts off, we're writing to let you know about an upcoming change. That to shipping fees, that already lets you know the price finna go up, okay? So I keep scrolling, I'm reading, I'm browsing, right? And then they're like, okay, we know you're all feeling pinched from gas prices and, you know, third-party shippings are not immune to the price hikes. Okay, so Misfits is about to get hit is what this letter is saying. And then they like to reflect, she's saying, you know, in the early days, when they did the surprise ugly produce boxes, you know, they wanted to stay true to their loyal customers. Okay, sure. And, you know, then they want to remind you that even though the price is going to go up on April 8th from $5.50 to $7.99, that they're still 40% cheaper than the grocery store, which I'll remind you, I did a comparison video. I'm just going to put her here. Ain't she cute? Okay, check her out after you watch this video. That their prices are, since Misfits Market is organic, everything you're getting produce-wise is organic. Now, they've really enhanced their other offerings, and I don't think those are organic, but like the produce itself is organic. But back to this email, y'all. I'm sorry for the digression. Okay, so they're saying, you know, as of April 8th, your shipping fee for your groceries will be $7.99. And then they want to remind you, like I said, that they're still 40% off. But the good news is they're going to be launching some loyalty programs. And then they're also saying that, you know, they're going to continue to have that high quality. But here's the gag. It's high quality, but it's also Misfits. So, you know, there's that high quality grocery staples and those types of things. But again, it's still Misfits products. So I don't know how I feel about that. And there's still that referral program, which is always in the description if you want to sign up for Misfits, or, you know, you can check out the other referrals that are down there too. I got a lot of cute little things that you can check out. So after reading this email, y'all, basically the synopsis is, you know, with everything going on in the world, our price is gonna come up and you, the consumer, is gonna have to pay it. And yes, it's like, you know, like a $2 difference. But here's what annoys me. If I'm gonna compare it to its competitor, Imperfect. So after a certain point, I do believe like a certain dollar amount for Imperfect foods, if you hit a certain dollar amount, you don't have to pay for shipping. Why can't it be the same way for Misfits? Now, granted, whenever I get Misfits, when I order Imperfect from Imperfect, I'm at least gonna spend $100 because I feel like their produce itself is more expensive. And then once you go through the other things that they have, their private label of things, and I like to get kombucha, their private label kombucha is like $9. And then I like to get my Spindrift, which is like another $6. So it just, stuff be adding up is what I'm trying to say to you. But Misfits kept me under 50. And I would go and I would shop in the pantry aisles and I would get, you know, the little sugar, maybe some drinks, maybe the little plant-based milk. I would keep it cheap. So now I am personally torn. Like, I'm pretty sure you have done this too, where you put something in your cart and realized it costs $5 to ship, and then you got rid of it from your cart because that's too high. And so I'm just torn as to what I'm going to do. Should I continue with Misfits, or should I just use Imperfect? Because right now, 1 week is Imperfect, the other week is Misfits, right? But summer finna come, and I can go to the local markets and support the local farmers in where I'm from in Kansas City. And so I'm torn. But then I don't know what to do. I'm upset that this has happened. I understand that things are going to continue to increase, but I don't know if I want to pay for it. So you guys let me know in the comments. What are you going to do? If you're a Misfit user, are you going to stay with them, keep subscribing, and keep, using their product even though the shipping has gone up? Should I do that? I don't know, y'all. I am torn. Yes, I know it's only a couple bucks, and it's not that much, I know, but it's like, what else is going to happen, And yes, I do like the organic products or sometimes they're cheaper than the conventional price at the grocery store. I understand that. But it's just like, oh, where is the last straw going to be? Oh, so that's what I'm struggling with, y'all. All right, well, if you like more content like this, I'm going to leave you some videos that you can watch here. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next